Yes, you can make one individual box, but you've also got the possibility of joining them together. You've also got the possibility of tying them together, because you've got a little tie mechanism inside there as well. So let me just undo this one. You've got the locking mechanism, but look how it all unfolds. So you've got the possibility of joining them like that. But look how they join together as well to compose amazing decorations for Christmas as well as everything else. Okay, now, oh, hello, I think this one opens as well. Let's have a look. Let's take that ribbon out. So that one has been placed top and bottom, so that when that folds up, you've got the possibility of making your stars. But it's all from one little die, which is this one here. Okay, now it's got a lot of different flaps on. Some of the flaps you don't need if you're going to use the baby one. If you're wanting to join them together, then you use the flaps. So these little flaps here are the ones you may use or may not. I'll explain. So, like every Tonic Studios box, they're easy to put together. So let's work from the front of our box. So that there, you can see, starts to take shape of the V. Now at this stage, do you want to make a small individual box, or do you want to make a box that joins together? If you want to make a box that joins together, you're going to pull those flaps out to the side. Okay? Now when you pull those out to the side, you've still got your glue tabs here to be able to stick to your backboard. So bring it up and stick it into your backboard. Now remember, if you're only making a single box, you've cut those off. If you're joining it together, you need these two joins. So let's make the lid. All we do is take that little bit off there, come in, form the V, and then these are going to fold back on themselves to hide your little glue tabs. So folding that one in there, and then this one on the inside. Just put that down so I can get my fingers in. And that forms the lid to the top of your box. So remember, if you're making one single box, you cut those flaps off. If you're joining them together, like that one there, those are your tabs that you glue inside the other box. It's magic. You can make, I mean, that reminds me, who's my age? Who remembers the Rubik's snake? Yeah, it's very much kinetic, and you're going to make so many different things. I shall see you later.